everyone! Good morning, good evening, good afternoon to all people around the world, to all Filipino working abroad o OFWs, mabuhay po tayong lahat! So now, we gonna do another infusion, cold compressed olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, and 2 organic nettle leaf, calendula. I reuse, guys, this one. I researched this kind of plastic, very thick plastic container that I can reuse for all the organic herbal, and it's good to reuse. It's not dangerous. And chamomile also. So 3 different herbal. So this is good for allergy, for itchy skin, mild and moderate. So we're gonna put all the chamomile, 2, 3. So if it's 3 handful of chamomile, we're gonna do 3 handful of calendula as well. This is calendula. So it has to simmer. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God. Mauubos ang aking ingredients at kukulangin ang aking oils. At nettle. So nettle is very good for cats. 1, 2, 3. So that's the estimation only, guys. And make sure that your oils, olive oil, are very healthy. And make sure that organic or premium class. So she's gonna use the wooden spoon. So we're gonna infuse this for 3 to 4 hours in a very low heat. So we're gonna add some more olive oils because I'm gonna make a bar soap for the skin allergy. So this is what I'm gonna use after I infuse. So I'm gonna make a bar soap for eczema allergy. It's not a cure, but it's helped to ease the allergy or itchiness. So I have so many different infuse. So we're gonna add some more oil. This is very expensive, guys. 1 liter, $25 to $27, because this is the best premier extra virgin olive oil compressed, cold compress. It's supposed for eating because this is very good for the heart, but this is very good also for helping ease the itchiness in your skin. Yan. Pwede na siya ganyan. It's super expensive, guys. All the oil I'm using for making my bar soap. That's why the price of my bar soap and skincare products is very expensive, because I use the best products, organic. Yeah, this is supposed to be for my salad, the premier class of cold compressed olive oil. See, guys, the brand name. This is the best one. At may seal pa sila, oh. There's a seal on it. So I'm not like others people that making bar soap using the low quality or whatever just to have more income. No, for me, As long as I can help to others, caring is helping. So that's my goal. That's why I'm doing this, because I want to help other people having allergies and everything else. So you're gonna infuse this for 3 to 4 hours. And it's very, very low heat. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna focus the camera. It's very, very low heat. It's only 50 degrees Celsius Fahrenheit to 60 or 58 degrees Celsius Fahrenheit. So that's it. And I'm using a Salad Master cookware to preserve the nutrients and vitamins of the herbal herbs or flowers from chamomile and from calendula and also the nettle leaf. So that's why I'm using Salad Master. Salad Master is the best cookware in the world. It's not just, you know, if you use different cookware, the cheap cookware, it's adding chemical reaction to the infused oil. So I'm using the best cookware to infuse my oils for the best quality of my products. So here you go, guys. After 4 hours, let's check it out. Okay, so see guys, no moisture because I didn't put flat the lid. So let's try to stir it. See guys, it's become darker, the oil, after 4 hours. So we have to like stir it. It smells so good, guys, because this is not only 3 herbal. So I add licorice also, because I'm gonna use it for making milky turmeric licorice bar soap. So because it's a requested for me of some of my friends, so that's why I'm making this. And we have to see guys, it's still low. Turn it up. So now it's off, and we're gonna leave this until tomorrow. So tomorrow morning, after it's cooled down, that's the only time we're gonna use cheesecloth to press and get all the infused olive oil from herbal herbs and flowers. So it's chamomile, nettle, stinging nettle, calendula, and licorice. Hi guys, back to work tayo. So now we're gonna do the infusion of, time to strain the infused nettle, calendula, chamomile, and licorice. So those are the ingredients for eczema, salve, and also can be ingredients for bar soap. So we're gonna do that to strain, use a cheesecloth. So we're gonna need more. I think I'm gonna use this one. Big, and of course clean towel, wipe it to make sure it's dry. So it has to be really dry, guys, the tools that you're gonna use. So this is like 3 liters of olive oil. Uy, sumasakit dibdib ko, kakapiga. Yan. So only a little bit, guys, because it's hard to press, squeeze when it's a lot. Ay, makalat nga lang tayo pag nagaganito. Tingnan natin talaga sa lababo. So, I make it 4. Pinagpatong-patong ko siya, doble-doble yung, I double, 4 times double the cheesecloth. Paper towel. So I'm gonna clean up this because it's the same. I just use it for for putting the spoon when I mix it. So I'm gonna transfer it here. So it's easy for us to put in a bottle. You need a full force when you are doing this, guys. It's hard. Yeah. It's nice if I have assistant that, after I press it, someone's gonna remove the husk from the cheesecloth. But since I'm alone, so, and it would be nice if there's a machine also that I can use for pressing. Yung mga 1 liter na siguro yun. Bakit kaya ang aking napipiling trabaho ay laging ang hihirap? Magpapatulog ka talaga ng pawis dito. Yan. Marami ang nasasayang, guys, na olive oil kasi yung dumidikit sa mga hindi naman lahat yan mai-extract eh. Kasi dried flowers yan, tsaka roots. Imagine nyo, social ang aking pang-infuse ng herbal. It's all salad master cookware to maintain and save all the nutrients of herbal that we need for our skin, for salvi, for soap making. Biruin nyo ito mano-mano. Mano-mano, ang hirap ng trabaho tapos babarating nyo yung sabon ko. Hindi na nga kasama sa presyo ng sabon yung labor eh. Yung mga ingredients na lang talagang isinasama ko lahat. Yan, diba? Piga ng piga hanggang sumakit ang dibdib at kilikili. Ang dami kasi nasasayang na oil eh. So much oil wasted when you infuse because like you infuse 4 liters and you're gonna get only 3 liters. Ano, higa na. Natuyot na. Bam, 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 bam. Look at my face, guys. That's my natural beauty and makes me look younger, feel younger, all the skincare that I'm making. That's why I like making my own skincare products.
Mahirap kapag makapal, mahirap pala tigain. Hindi nga yata aabot ng 2 liters. 3 liters to guys eh. More than 3 liters ng in-infuse ko. I think 3 liters and a half. Wala nang lakas Inday. Oh my God. Oh my strength gone and I'm sweating like crazy. Oh Lord Jesus, thank you for this work. Yeah, tama na nga. Wala nang lakas. Hindi naman kasi ako kumain. Smoothie lang guys ang aking kinain. So, walang energy. Hindi na kasi ako kumain kasi mamaya pupunta ako ng party. So, I want to maintain the 1 meal a day. Yeah. So, ilahat na natin siya. Ay, medyo makapal-kapal to. So this is my special edition 6-quart Salad Master. And I got this for free because I work hard in Salad Master. Teka, i-wipe natin to kasi manlalaglag to eh. Manlalaglag kasi to. Eh, hindi siya pwedeng makasama sa saldi kasi magaspang. Sabagay, titining naman din siya. Ayan. Wipe. Para matanggal yung mga bulaklak sa ano ko. Kasi pag
Wala na siyang laman. Ginamit ko din to sa in-infuse. So, we have to... Nahirapan ako sa ano ko, kaya tinanggal ko na yung aking gloves. So, we're gonna reuse our olive oil bottles. Yan. Kaya, kailangan natin itong tanggalin yan. Para makakapasok yung ano, yung oil. Ito wala talaga natanggal na. Huh. That's weird. Parehas lang siya, pero yung isa wala yung ano. Lock. So, ito na siya guys. Isalin na. Ay, gagamit na lang ako guys ng imbudo. Kasi, ayokong tumapon. Saan ba yung aking imbudo? Ang liliit naman kasi ng imbudo ko. Maliliit ang butas. Saan kaya yung malaki ang butas na imbudo? Ayan.
oh shoot, sayang, tumapon. Oh my God, this is, I don't like kapag tumatapon guys, sayang. Lagyan na lang natin sa skin. Ayan. Ayan oh, sayang kasi. Ang dami nang tumulo sa lapag. Sayang to oh. Maliit kasi oh. Teka nga. Kunti-kunti nga lang. Mahirap talaga. Oh, kailangan malaki ang imbudo. Ayan, tumatapon talaga oh. Ito naman lang. Sayang kasi oh, hindi maganda tong ano na to, itong picture na to. Wala pa siyang 1 liter guys, so sayang yung ano nito.
So here you go guys, the natural color, it's become very dark green or like brown, but it's a dark green guys. Yung parang lumot, it's like algae, the dark algae na nagba-brown-brown. Yan, ito naka 1 liter na tayo, so sana maka 1 liter pa kasi 3 liters yan na in-infuse. So naka 1 liter na tayo. Hirap kasi sa pagkaliwa eh. Ang liit ng imbudo kaya nahirapan ako guys.
Mukhang magsusobra to ng 2 liters. Malinis ito guys sa mga buti ko. Kasi malinis lagi ang cabinet ko. Minimaintain ko yan na malinis ang cabinet. Ang bango. Ang sarap ng amoy yung parang sarap kainin. Parang amoy candy. Kung pupunin ko ito ng punong-puno. Ayan, oh. Siguro mga more than 2 liters guys. The rest, yeah, 2.5 liters I guess. Hopefully. Malinis ang kamay ko guys kasi ilang beses na naghugas na ako ng mga plato at naghugas pa uli ako bago ako mag-touch nito. At bagong paligod nito. Kahapon. Joke. Joke lang yun guys. Ayan, nakapuno ito. tayo. Pupunayin ko ito ng punong-puno yung kabila naman. Tumutulo talaga. Hindi magandang pang ano to, pang gamitin pang takal. Ayan. So, punong-puno yung isa. Ito, lagyan na natin to dito. Yung isa hindi natin malalagyan kasi wala talaga yun. Tsaka punong-puno. Mag-overflow. Ayan. So, we got 2 liters, guys. And I think another, let's see how many cups. I couldn't read. I think this one is, 450. So, it's 1 3/4 cups, guys, the other one. 450, yeah. So, 450 ml. I think it's gonna be 500 ml because the 1 liter is only until here. So, I put it full amount. So, we're gonna need another glass for that one. So, we're gonna use this. See, guys, infused oil for salvi eczema. So, this one I used already. So, I'm just gonna use this. Ayun, sakto. Nagsakto. So, it's supposed to be like you use the dark color to stack up. So, that's why I'm reusing the olive oil bottle because it's dark color. It's dark color to protect the infused oil. This one, I'm gonna use it. This is the first one I'm gonna use it because it's on the clear glass. And this one still have more olive oil. That's why I don't want to use it. And this one is, see guys, this is for eczema salvi also, babies. So, this one can be for babies, eczema salvi, and for adults. Again, disclaimer, this is not for a cure. This is just to help not to flare up eczema or whatever, itchiness. So, it's not a cure, guys, because eczema, there's no cure of eczema, especially when you eat malalangsang pagkain, like chicken, eggs, the eczema, it's gonna be itchy again. So, you have to watch out the food you're eating when you have eczema or allergies. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. Look at my face, guys. Oh, diba? I just use my face renewal serum or oil. Mix different oils, like 15 or 20 kinds of premier class oils. See guys, the beauty, the natural. Ooh, diba? Oh, anong say mo? Yan ang natural beauty ni Merlinda. Ito, dito na lang to. Oh. Ang sarap pag ipinahid mo sa sa skin. Yan, the rest, aanuhin ko yan, tapos papahid ko dito. Thank you guys. God bless us all. Go, we have 2 liters and 500 ml infused oil for salvi making and soap making. So this can be for allergies or eczema. So another ingredients, I infuse 3.5 liters and I got only 2.5 liters. So that's how it is, guys. Nagdididak ng 1 liter kapag nag-infuse kayo ng mga ingredients, flowers, roots for your soup making and sub making. There you go. We label already what's in it. So that's the good thing. We always have to label so we don't forget what's in the bottle.